I wanted to show you two additional resources to use when researching specific majors and careers. If we go into our Career Center homepage, glendale.edu/career center, I would like you to scroll down and click on what can I do with this major. A lot of times students will ask us, what can I do with a major in psychology or history? Well, this is an excellent resource, so if we click on View All Majors, it lists almost every major you can think of. So let's go ahead and scroll down to maybe, for the sake of this, let's do sociology. And then if we scroll down, it actually breaks it down by area. So it talks about human services within sociology, what kind of direct care positions there are, and administrative positions, what some common employers are if you're going to major in this, what some strategies are to get into this field within specifically human development. And then it breaks it down to criminal justice within sociology, law, education, government, social science research, business, environmental sociology. And then it has specific professional associations that you might want to think about joining, a little bit about our occupational outlook for specific careers associated with sociology, and some related resources and employment opportunities. So Candid Careers can be another excellent resource to use when researching more about specific majors. If we go back to our Career Center homepage, the next link I would like you to click on would be ONET, ONET Online. This is another way to research more about careers and occupations. The thing to keep in mind about this resource is this is only going to give you national data. So again, as we showed you earlier, California, the cost of living is much higher, so pay is much higher. So Eureka gives you California-specific information, where ONET is going to give you national data. So it's another great tool to use. So let's go ahead and type in lawyer. And then it will tell you a little bit about law. Anything that says bright outlook or has the yellow sun, it just means that that job is something that has a bright outlook in terms of future careers. Green leaf means it's a green or environmentally friendly position. So let's go ahead and click on lawyer. And it lists typical tasks you might expect to be using if you went to law, what kind of technology, and you can expand each of these. What kind of knowledge you might need to have to go into this, what kind of skills and abilities, work environment, a little bit more detail about the work activities that you can expect. Job zones, here it tells you what type of education you might need, what experience and job training you might need to get into this. Here's another great way to click on Find Training. You can find programs that you can go into for law. So what law schools there are. Work styles and work values. What are some related occupations to being a lawyer? And then here, again, keep in mind this is national data. This is telling you hourly and annual wages nationally. So lawyers make about $120,000 a year on average and about $57 an hour. But keep in mind, California data is going to be a little bit higher. And then it gives you the projected growth rates and how many projected national openings there will be. And you can also look at current job openings. So ONET is another excellent tool to use when doing research on your careers.